Hi children, this is Teacher Tan here. How are you? I hope everyone is good at home. I really miss a time when we get to sing greeting songs and making music together. So that's why I am doing this clip so that I can still see you, I can still sing to you, I can still make music with you. And let's have fun. So why don't we start with the greeting song today? Well, I have a new greeting songs. It's called Hello Songs, and I kind of created it yesterday in my bathroom. So I'm going to sing to you first, and later we will sing together. Okay? Hello everyone, hello everyone, hello everyone. How are you today? We can actually change the lyrics to hello friends, because you're all my friends. Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. How are you today? I'm not a very good ukulele player, but bear with me. So let's sing together. We are going to sing hello friend instead of hello children or hello everyone. So we sing hello friends, okay? Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. How are you today? Hello friends, hello friends, hello friends. How are you today? Pretty good, isn't it? So I prepared a video clip for you. Let's look at the video.
Low,
Hi, hi,
low,
hi, hi,
low, low, low,
hi, hi,
low,
hi, hi,
low,
hi, hi,
low, low, low.
hi, hi,
And then
low,
high,
low,
high,
low, low,
high, high,
low,
high,
low,
high,
low, low,
high,
low,
high, high, high.
low, low.
Good job! Now let's sing all together.
Low, high, high, low, high, high, low, 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 high, high, low, high, high, low, high, high, low, 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 high, high, low, high, high, low, high, high, low, 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 high, high, low, high, high, low, high, high, low, 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 high, high.
Whew.
Low, high, high.
So today we are going to do some sound exploration. So before I going into the sound exploration, I'm going to introduce you this cute little things. It's actually from a friend of mine. She bought it for me. It's a gift from my friend from Taiwan. So this is actually a ceramic flute. You can have a look. This is the ceramic flute, very cute in a dark shape, and with this. Okay, I'm going to blow some air into it and see what kind of sound it comes out. Because today we're going to talk about high and low. Okay, so it's whether this is going to make us a high sound or a low sound. What do you think? Is that a high or low? High or low? Definitely it's a high. So what about this one? This is a violin. Okay. Oh my goodness. It drops. This is my violin actually. I am going to make a sound, and you can let me know whether it sounds high or it sounds low. What do you think? Is that a high sound or a low sound? It's definitely a low sound. Okay, just like these two animals here, The high sound, this one. Okay, it's so high that it sounds like a bird chirping. I don't know whether have you heard bird chirping? Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. Very high. And when we talk about low sound, it sounds like a frog, rabbit, 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 rabbit. Okay, so when you see this, you think of low sound, very low. Low doesn't mean it's not good. Low is just low. And when you see birds, you think of high sound. Chirp, chirp, chirp. So now, since you have a better idea on what is high and what is low, and I am actually making this game. Okay, it's called the sound exploration game for you to play. It's kind of fun. Now, high and low. So let's start. Now, when you look at this, okay, you look at this, right? So this is, I'm going to start with the low sound and I'm going to go high, just like this. I'm going to do that again, okay? Okay, now what about going downhill? Just like this one. Is this going down? Yeah, this is going down. Look at this. Okay, I'm going to sing. One more time. Okay. Okay, I have this. Oh, going uphill. See, this is how it goes. One more time. So you can see that this is high and this is low, right? It's just like the roller coaster. I like this, I like this. This is fun. Okay, so this is how it goes. Isn't that fun? I really feel that it's so fun. Okay, one more time, yeah? Now this is what we call the vocal exploration, and it's a very good exercise for you to feel what is high, what is low, and how you actually use your sound, use your vocal. This is the most beautiful instrument in the world, I can say that, because you yourself is the instrument and you use your sound to make beautiful music. Okay, so the next song that I'm going to do with you today is, what's that called again? The more we get together, the more we get together. So we're going to sing this song with one lower version and one higher version. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Do you want to sing one more time? Let's sing one more time because I don't like the first time. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. So this is with the higher key version. Higher key means you have to sing with a higher voice. Down. Okay. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. 'Cause your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh. Ooh. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh. Ooh. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Three, 2, 1, go. Ooh, ooh. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh. Great job. Ooh.